Okay, in this video I want to go over the custom category and custom subcategory update. And to create those, you're going to go to your inventory tab and you'll see this new tile here called settings. We'll click on that and this will bring you to the custom category page. So first you'll see all of the original Weave categories, and if you want to add a new category, you'll click this plus button. Let's say we want this to be bulk bud. And then you have to select the Weave category that most closely resembles that. And in this case, it's flower. And the reason we need that is for the legal limits for your state. So then I'll hit submit, and that'll create the new category here. You'll automatically get all of the subcategories for the Weave category that you entered. And if you want to add some new subcategories to this category, we can do that here. So to do that, we'll click the Add New Subcategory button. And we'll enter our new subcategory here. So let's do energize. And we'll do the same thing with the Weave subcategory that most closely resembles this. So let's do sativa. We'll submit. And now we'll see that pop up here. At any time, you can click these three dots and edit or delete a subcategory or a category. You can also add custom subcategories to the existing Weave categories. So for this example, I'll click on merchandise. I'll add a new subcategory. Let's do t-shirt, and then I'll select clothing. I'll submit that, and now we'll see that t-shirt pop up here. So to assign our new categories to an item, we'll go to inventory, and we'll search for what we want. So in this case, I already have a t-shirt item, so let's click on that. I'll do edit product, and now I'm going to do the subcategory t-shirt that I just created. We'll save that. And now we'll see here this product is categorized as merchandise with the subcategory t-shirt. Another big part of this update is anytime you edit a product. So these four fields up here at the top and also the description, that is only going to edit it for your company. It's not going to affect any other companies using this product, and any other company that edits a product, it will not affect your version of that product. So that's a big change from how that previously worked. With these new categories and subcategories, you'll see them pop up over here in the search facets. So you can see t-shirt there since I've assigned it, and you can also search for those in the search box. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can find all of our contact info here under the support section, and our suggestion box is here, so please feel free to leave us a note.